What's up, everybody? Master King Chef Jade right here, and I appreciate you watching. Miss Denise, you a bad mama jamma. That pound cake you made was out of this world. But now, you said that, Chef, I got something we can do with the leftover pound cake. Can you please tell the people what's about to go down?
Yes. Today we're going to use this leftover pound cake and make strawberry shortcake. And we're going to build those strawberry shortcakes in mason jars. So these will be mason jar desserts, and they will be really good.
Hey guys, y'all heard it from her, and you heard it from me. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around.
Now we are always getting flavors every day of the week. Shout out to Chef Jade, and he done saved you a seat. Like, comment, and subscribe, and go and put on repeat. And now wait. Take out your seasoning and make it rain on that thing. This the type of cooking make him buy you a ring. Don't compare Chef Jade, cause he ain't the same. And that's for real though, you know the deal though. And I know you probably heard it through the grapevine, that everything that he makes, it is straight fire. Lobster macaroni to the crab cake and the ribeye. Super Bowl videos, go get ready for the fish fry. Or some Nashville hot chicken for some kickback, or some Henny hot wings just to get slapped, He moving up to greater things, ain't no get back, He the best of everything, Chef Gerard the Master King.
So we are here with Denise from Denise's Kitchen, and you are getting ready to cut up some of this pound cake. So let people know what we got going on.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take a slice of pound cake, and we're going to slice through it. We're going to cut this into cubes.
Now it doesn't matter how big of a cube. It's totally up to you, right?
No, just however much you want it to be, however big you want it to be. So I've got these cut up, and we're going to take these two jars, and we're going to start with the first layer and let those cake pieces fall in there in the bottom.
All right, so you got the pound cake. So tell me a little bit what you got going on over here.
Okay.
Like what we got.
The other ingredients is a strawberry glaze that I have made already. And you can take your strawberries and you can fix that up any way you want. You can take the strawberries, cut them up, take the green caps off, cut them up, dice them, macerate them, sprinkle some sugar over it, about a half a cup. You got a cup of berries, a half a cup of sugar, and you can squeeze some fresh lemon juice off in there and then macerate those. And normally I like to let it sit for about an hour before I add it to my berries. Then we're going to take our berries, slice them, and just add them to that glaze that you made.
Oh Lord Jesus, what?
So every time you bite into this cake, you're gonna taste a fresh berry.
With the glaze on there.
With the glaze on it.
Man, that sounds so good. So we're gonna cut these strawberries up, put them in the glaze, and we're gonna show you guys what we got next. So we are getting ready to build this strawberry shortcake, glazed strawberry, buttermilk, pound cake extraordinaire. Right?
Yes,
That's what we're getting ready
we
to do.
are.
All right, so let's do it.
So what we're gonna do, as I said, we're gonna start with a layer of the cubed cake. Then we're gonna go in with strawberries, fresh strawberries off in a glaze. And you can pick up a glaze at the supermarket if you want for the strawberries, for the strawberry glaze, and then cut your berries up in it. So what we have now are these cube pieces of buttermilk pound cake. We have chunks of fresh strawberries that we're layering.
So if I wanted to use other fruit, I could add like blueberries.
You could, and you can call it yes, you can do that. You can add whatever fruit that you want. I prefer to use strawberry because it tastes so much better.
Yes, ma'am.
And so we have whipped topping here that I made previously, but you can get your own. You can buy ready whip in the store, or you can get Cool Whip and just add it to the layers.
Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good. So
and of course, it may be a little messy as you go, but you can clean your jars down. It's all going to be the same. It's all going to blend up perfectly.
I got you covered.
So we kind of shake the jars a little so that your Cool Whip falls down. And then we're going to go on and add another layer of cake. And you can do just 2 layers, but I like to do 3 small layers because it makes it look so pretty.
The more, the better.
Then we'll add some more berries.
So while you building that, Miss Denise, can you tell the people how they can contact you, please?
Yes, you can contact me on denisebakes.com, and you can look at the orders, the cakes that we have available, and place an order, and we'll ship it to you anywhere. Just look at our shipping instructions and see where we will be shipping to and all the directions. And you can also follow us on Facebook at Denise's Kitchen.
Now, are you local in here? We're in Nashville, Tennessee, or where are you based out of?
I'm based out of Martin, Tennessee, which is West Tennessee.
Y'all heard it, man. Miss Denise, she's building these awesome strawberry jars right here. Is there any other jars that you sell, Miss Denise?
I also make banana pudding jars. This old-fashioned banana pudding that you make on top of the stove.
Fire. You hear me? Fire. So we gonna keep building this, and so we got the two layers.
And we're almost done.
You got the strawberries in there.
Yes.
The pound cake in there. The pound cake from scratch. The glaze from scratch.
Yes, and we're gonna cut just a little bit more cake so we can add one more layer.
Fresh strawberries. You a bad mama jamma, man. I cannot wait to get a hold of one of those.
And this is a really popular dessert. This is perfect at Christmas time. Even if you don't want to use a jar, you can use a glass dish.
Right. This is something the kids can help with. Like, you guys want to get in the kitchen and do something with the kids. It's like a fun activity for you and the kids. Or any of y'all have grandkids. Like, everybody come in the kitchen and you make your own jars. You put out a whole thing of different type of berries and you can make your own jar. That one right there, mine right there. Y'all can't have that one.
Okay, so we've added all the berries. We're gonna put one more layer of whipped topping on.
Lord Jesus. Man, that looks so good. Y'all see this? Y'all see this right here? These are berries, the whipped cream, the cake, the mulberries, the syrup, the glaze. Man, you just let me know what's a good time for me to go in with my spoon. Lord
You
Jesus.
can try this anytime.
Man, she gonna get a little fancy.
And
put
then
a
we're
little
gonna
fan of
just top it
strawberry.
off with one more berry.
Now that
There
right
you
there
have it, a
is-
strawberry shortcake in a mason jar.
Y'all like that? Man, that looks so good. I'm about to go ahead and taste this, so y'all don't go nowhere. I'm gonna grab a spoon. I want y'all to stay right there. Camera guy, you get to get some too, camera guy, but I get to get it first. Listen, y'all, I'm about to go in. I had the cake already, from the previous video. Now I'm getting the cake, enhanced a little bit. So let's go in. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. So we got the fresh whipped cream, the strawberry. Now I might not be able to talk, so we might have to put some subtitles at the bottom, because y'all see that bite right there? The glaze, the pound cake, the whipped cream. Oh Lord Jesus. Hey, listen, y'all. Do you ship these?
No, I don't ship those. Those can be picked up local.
Listen, if y'all are local and y'all anywhere around Martin, Tennessee, or Nashville, Tennessee, I help y'all get these. Y'all gotta come talk and see Miss Denise from Denise's Kitchen. This right here is fire. This is straight fire. Miss Denise, I always say, we are always building flavors. I ain't get to say it, but I'm gonna say it right now. We are always building flavors, and this is straight flavor right here. This is like exceptional. So one more time, before I tell these people, deuces.
You can find me on Facebook at Denise's Kitchen. Also, we have a website that you can go to, denisebakes.com. That's DENISEBAKES.com. And take a look at all the cakes that we have to offer and try one of those, and we will ship it out to you.
Listen, guys, I promise you won't be disappointed. I've had the pound cake, caramel pound cake, several banana puddings, regular pound cake, this strawberry jar, and I ain't gonna stop. So please, y'all try it out. Hey guys, we appreciate y'all. I think we like at 96,000 subscribers. We appreciate that, guys. And remember, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank y'all for watching. God bless.